Which technical SEO elements need analyzing for better performance? As part of your website's technical elements, it's essential that you focus on improving several key areas. Site speed and page load times should be prioritized since slow pages often result in high bounce rates. So compressing images, minimizing files, and enabling caching are recommended. Mobile friendliness and responsive design are also important because most users access websites through mobile devices. Ensuring your website is mobile friendly and well designed is necessary for optimal user experiences. Another area where you should pay technical attention is site navigation. Both users and search engines appreciate a clear structure to your website, so be sure to implement breadcrumbs, use simple URLs, and optimize internal crosslinks. Lastly, be sure to fix any broken links and use redirects to improve user experience. When done right, you can build a solid foundation for your website's performance and enhance rankings, visibility, and user experience with these technical advantages.